Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of LeafFilter versus LeafGuard. Watch till the end to know our verdict on which gutter protection is better. So the main difference between LeafFilter and LeafGuard is the installation process. LeafGuard's installation process includes completely replacing a home's current gutters. LeafGuard's installers disassemble your home's old gutters, dispose of them, and then measure, cut, and install LeafGuard's gutters protectors. On the other hand, LeafFilter's installation process includes installing gutters directly on a home's current gutter system. This removes the requirement for complete replacement of your home gutters, thereby making it more affordable. Therefore, LeafFilter's installation process is easier and more cost-effective than LeafGuard's. Product offering. LeafFilter provides gutter protectors that can be universally installed on any home's current gutter system. LeafGuard, on the other hand, provides gutter protectors that are custom fitted by professional installers to a home's precise specifications. Therefore, LeafGuard offers more flexibility in product offering than LeafFilter. Gutter material. LeafGuard's seamless one-piece system is made of highly recyclable aluminum. Conversely, LeafFilter's three-piece system is made of durable UPVC material and surgical-grade stainless steel. Therefore, LeafGuard's aluminum material will have a lower environmental impact than LeafFilter's UPVC material and surgical-grade stainless steel. Cleaning. LeafGuard gutter design eliminates the need for cleaning after installation. On the other hand, LeafFilter gutter cleaning is minimized to a light sweeping of the cover of the micromesh. Therefore, LeafGuard gutters are easier to maintain than LeafFilter gutters because they require no cleaning after installation. Comparison table. From the table, you can tell that LeafFilter is available in more states than LeafGuard, making it accessible to more homeowners in the United States. Additionally, you can tell there is a difference in the color options. LeafFilter gutter protectors come in multiple color options, while LeafGuard gutter protectors come in limited color options. Similarities. Both LeafFilter and LeafGuard offer a transferable and lifetime warranty, thereby allowing the warranty to be passed on to a new homeowner in the event of a sale of a home. Verdict. So, which is better? LeafGuard is the better gutter protector because it offers flexibility in its product offering, and its gutters are custom fitted to the precise specifications of a home. Additionally, they do not require any cleaning after installation, and they are made from aluminum, thereby having a lower impact on the environment. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you'd like to see next from us.